Ever wondered why health enthusiasts swear by omega-3 fatty acids in their diet? From the heart to the brain, joints to eyes, skin to mood, these essential nutrients play a vital role in sustaining our health and well-being. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of healthy fat that our bodies can't produce on their own, hence the need to include them in our diet. They're like the unsung heroes of our body, working tirelessly to keep us in shape. So they sound important, right? Let's delve into how they benefit different parts of our body. First up, let's talk heart health. Omega-3s are renowned for their heart-healthy properties. You see, they work as little superheroes, swooping in to lower triglycerides and reduce blood pressure. They also help keep your heart's rhythm steady and regular, reducing the risk of abnormal heart rhythms. But their heroics don't stop there. They also actively work to decrease the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Now, isn't that something? But hold on, that's just the start. These fatty acids have more to offer. Moving on to brain, joint, and eye health, omega-3s play a crucial role. Let's dive in. When it comes to our brains, omega-3 fatty acids are more than just helpful. They're a major component of brain cell membranes and are associated with improved memory and cognition. Not only that, but they also serve to elevate our mood and may even reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Now imagine a life with reduced joint pain and stiffness. Thanks to the anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s, this is possible. By reducing swelling in the joints, these fatty acids can improve overall mobility and comfort, particularly for those with arthritis. Lastly, we can't ignore the importance of omega-3s for our eyes. DHA, one of the types of omega-3 fatty acids, is a major structural component of the retina. Adequate intake of these fatty acids can help prevent macular degeneration and dry eye syndrome, promoting overall eye health. But wait, there's more! Omega-3s also contribute to skin health and have anti-inflammatory properties. So, let's talk skin health, inflammation, and other benefits of omega-3s. Omega-3 fatty acids are like the secret agents of skin health. They maintain the skin's integrity and barrier function, improve hydration, and reduce inflammation associated with conditions like acne and eczema. In short, they're your skin's best friend. But they don't stop there. Omega-3s have impressive anti-inflammatory properties, which can help fight off chronic inflammation linked to many diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. And it's not just physical health they support. Omega-3s are vital for brain function and can help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety, promoting relaxation and overall mental well-being. For expectant mothers, omega-3s are crucial for the development of the baby's brain and eyes. They may also reduce the risk of preterm birth and improve cognitive development in infants. Finally, some studies suggest that omega-3s may help increase calcium levels in bones, improving bone density, and they may assist with weight management by reducing appetite and increasing fat metabolism. With such a wide range of benefits, it's clear omega-3s are essential for our health. So, how can you incorporate these essential fatty acids into your diet? Think fatty fish, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, or even supplements. But don't forget to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regimen. Remember, a little change in your diet can make a big difference in your health. Start incorporating omega-3s into your diet today.